Hey everyone! I have some exciting news to share with you today. Party Popper. I'm thrilled to announce a $50 giveaway to 50 lucky subscribers on my channel. But there's a catch. This will happen only when we reach 1,000 subscribers. And that's not all. I have some massive special gifts lined up for a few select subscribers, which I'll reveal once we hit the 1K milestone. Rocket. To participate and stand a chance to win, all you need to do are these 3 simple steps. 1. Subscribe to the channel. 2. Like every video. 3. Comment below why you need $50 and why it's important to you. Winners will be chosen based on engagement, so make sure to like, comment, and stay active. Good luck, and let's reach 1,000 subscribers together. Raising Hands TonXDAO is a new Blum Labs partner project that allows users to create and manage their decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs. The Telegram-based application was created by xKuCoin, a DAO platform that allows individuals and groups to create and manage their own decentralized autonomous organizations within Telegram, or the Open Network, TON, blockchain. How to qualify for an airdrop. For the mechanics of this airdrop campaign, users would only need to press and hold the button in the center of the screen instead of tapping. Users can use the mini app to mine $DAO tokens, participate in tasks, and qualify for rewards. To join. Backhand index pointing right. Step 1. Head over to https://t.me/TonXDAO_bot and launch the BO backhand index pointing right. Step 2. Press and hold the button in the center of the screen until the energy runs out to mine $DAO tokens. V. Step 3. You can also create or join a DAO to boost your rewards. Step 4. Complete simple tasks to earn more $DAO tokens. Backhand index pointing right. Step 5. Invite other users to earn more $DAO tokens. Step 6. Keep an eye on official announcements and hope for the best. That's about it for this airdrop guide. For more potential airdrops like this one, visit our airdrops page, where we cover only the most legit airdrops happening in the crypto space. Lastly, if there are any potential airdrops you want us to cover, reach out to us on our Telegram channel.